completed up to worksheet 2, question 14, worksheet 2. So now we are starting from question 15, worksheet 2, that is polynomials. Okay. Question number 15 is 2x cube plus mx square plus nx minus 14. This polynomial is exactly divisible by x square plus x minus 2. This is given polynomial and this polynomial is exactly divisible by x square plus x minus 2. And we have to calculate the value of m plus n. Okay. Now, we will first find the factors of this polynomial. It will be whose multiplication is minus 2 and addition is plus 1. Okay. So, it will be 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So, x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. So, if we take x common from this, it will be x plus 2. Now here it will be also x plus 2. Common we get is minus 1. Now factors will be x plus 2 and x minus 1. So, factors of this polynomial are x plus 2 and x minus 1. So from f of minus 2 will be equals to 0 from this, and f of 1 will be equals to 0. As x minus 1 is 0, x will be equals to 1. So we get f of 1 as 0. Now from if we put x as minus 2 in this polynomial, we get the equation in the form of m and n. And if we put 1 in this polynomial also, we get the equation in the form of m and n. We want m plus n. You can put this in equation and check whether it is m plus n, we get the value. And you can put again 1, so you can get m plus n as whatever it is. So for easier calculation, I am taking f of 1. So if I take f of 1 equals to 0, and if this is f of x, f of 1 equals to 0, I put the value of x as 1. So it will be f of 1 will be equals to 2 into x cube, that is 1 cube, plus m x square, that is 1 square, plus n, x is 1 minus 14. It is equals to 0. As x plus 1 was the factor. Okay. X minus 1 was the factor. Now 1 cube is 1. Here will be 2 plus m plus n minus 14 equals to 0. Now m plus n will be, it will be 14 minus 2. So m plus 1 n will be equals to 12. Okay. We have got the value m plus n as 12. Okay. Now 16th one. If f of ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c, it is given that if this polynomial is exactly divisible by x minus 1 and x minus 2, and further it is given as if it leaves remainder 6 when divided by x plus 1. remainder is 6 when this polynomial is divided by x plus 1. Okay, and we have to find the values of a, b and c respectively, a, b and c. Okay, there is no need of this remainder 6 and x plus 1. We have got the factors of this ax square plus bx plus c. Factors of these are x minus 1 and x minus 2. If we solve this, we can get the value of a, b and c, x minus 1 and x minus 2. Multiply first term with first term, then first term with second term. It will be x into x is x square. First term with second term, it is minus 2x. Then multiply second term with first term and then second term with second term. It will be minus x and minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. So it will be x into x, we get common, it will be x minus 2. Here so it will be x minus 2, minus 1 we will get common. So factors of this are x No, we don't have to calculate factors. We have to solve this. X square minus 3x plus 2. So we have got from these factors x minus 1, x minus 2, we have got the expression. So expression was given ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. So these are the factors of this expression. So if we compare these two, it will be a equals to 1, b is equals to minus 3 and c will be equals to 2. So we have got the values as 1, minus 3 and 2, that is option 2. Okay. Now 17th question. If p of x is given as this series is given and summation of I equals to 0 up to 2020 the summation of the x to the power 2020, its coefficient is a base 2020. So it is given that I equals to 0 up to 2020. The summation of all these coefficients a 2020, all these coefficients are 0. Sum of coefficients we have studied, that was on page 14 note 1. Sum of coefficients, if sum of coefficients is 0, then what is the factor? X minus 1 will be the factor. If sum of coefficients is 0. So sum of coefficients is given as 0. So x minus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. Okay. Now what is given? X minus 1 alpha is given as the factor. It has already given that x minus alpha is the factor, and we have found that x minus 1 is the factor. So from this, can we say that alpha is equals to 1? Yes, because x minus alpha is the factor, and we have found that x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial as sum of coefficients is 0. So alpha is equals to 1. So they have said that calculate the value of alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 2. So put the value of alpha 1 as in this expression. So it will be alpha square, that is 1 square minus 3 alpha, means minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So it will be 1 square is 1 minus 3 plus 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus 2, it is 0. So we get the value as of this expression as 0. So answer is 0. Option 1. Okay. Now 18th one. The factor theorem, one of the factors of. We have calculated the factors of the expression given. It is a multi-correct choice question. So we have to check all the factors. X to the power 4 plus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 6. This polynomial is given and we have to find the factors of this. Two factors we can already orally find. See note page 14 note 1. It was sum of coefficients. If sum of coefficients is 0, then x minus 1 is the factor. Let us check. Coefficient of x to the power 4 is 1 plus 5 minus 5 minus 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So sum of coefficients is 0. So we can say that x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay. Now it was also mentioned on page 14 note 2. If sum of even powers and constant is equals to odd powers, then x plus 1 will be the factor. You can check the page number 14. Okay. So sum of even powers, we take 1 plus 5 and constant is minus 6. Let us see what it is. Sum even powers and constant, is it equals to odd powers? Odd powers are 5 minus 5. Okay. 5 minus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 5 minus 5 is 0. So or even powers and constant sum and is equals to odd powers. Okay. So x plus 1 will be the factor. Now we have got x minus 1 and x plus 1. We have got two factors. Now, so first and second option are correct. Now we have to find other factors, whether third and fourth option are true. So we can find easily. I write the factors here. X minus 1 was the factor and x plus 1 was the factor. Now, by synthetic division, we can find other factors. So if I take x minus 1, so here it will be, x will be equals to 0. So I am considering x minus 1 first. So x will be equals to 0. So x will be equals to 1. And write the coefficients of this polynomial here. It will be 1, 5, 5, minus 5 and minus 6. So 1 I write it as it is. Then 1 ones are 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 into 6 is 6. Now 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 into 11 is 11. Now 11 minus 5, 6. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. Now minus 6 plus 6, 0. So it is the remainder. And these are coefficients of expression. Quotient. So it will be x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. Now we have to again find the factors, because x cube will be difficult to find. If it is in the form of x cube, it is difficult to find. So we further divide this polynomial by synthetic division. So again here I take x minus 1. Now I am taking here x plus 1 as the factor. So if I take x plus 1 as the factor in the next division, it will be x will be equals to minus 1. Okay. So here I write minus 1. Again coefficients of this expression. It will be 1, 6, 11, 6. Now further divide as it is. 1 we will write as it is. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Minus 1 into 5, it is minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. Minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. So remainder is 0, and coefficients we get x square plus 5x plus 6. Now it is easy to solve this. It was difficult, so we further divided it. Okay. Now it is easy to solve this polynomial. And by solving that we can get the factors of this polynomial. We have got this polynomial by dividing 2 times. Now what is the multiplication of two numbers, that is 6, and addition is 5. 3 and 2 are those numbers. 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So it will be x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. So further, if we take x common from this, it will be x plus 3. Again same bracket x plus 3. Now what is common from this? It is plus 2. 2x plus 6. Okay. Now factors we get are x plus 3 and x plus 2. Okay. So these are the factors of this polynomial. So how many factors we get? This x minus 1, x plus 1, and x plus 3, x plus 2. We got 4 factors of this polynomial. Okay. Now see the options. First option is x plus 1. This x plus 1. Second one is x minus 1. Second one is also correct. Third is x plus 2. Here it is also. Now x minus 3. It is given as x minus 3. X minus 3 is not the factor of this polynomial. So fourth one is not correct. 1, 2 and 3 are correct options. Okay. Now matrix match type. Polynomials are given and their factors are given. So we will write here polynomials. F of x is equals to x square minus 3x plus 2. Second one is f of x equals to 2x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Third option is given as optional polynomials. F of x equals to 6x cube plus x square minus 4x plus 1. I write it as ABCD so you can easily understand. A, B, C and D. f of x, fourth is f of x equals to 6x square minus 5x minus 1. Now factors are given as x minus 1, x plus 1, 2x minus 1 and x minus 2. We have to match it. Which of these are factors of these polynomials? So first, x square minus 3x plus 2. Let us see the sum of these coefficients. Sum of coefficients in first are 1 minus 3 plus 2. It is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, it is 0. Therefore, sum of coefficients is 0. Therefore, x minus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. Okay? Here we got. Now, there is x plus 1. For x plus 1, what was the condition? The condition was if sum of the even powers of x and constant is equals to odd power of x, then x plus 1 will be the factor. Now, let us check it. Even powers of x are 1 and constant is 2 and odd powers is minus 3 only. So 1 plus 2, 3, it is not equals to minus 3. So x plus 1 will be not be the factor of this polynomial. Okay. Now for this 2x minus 1, we have to check it by putting the value of x. 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. From this we can calculate x. It is equals to 1. So x for x will be equals to 1 by 2. X is equals to 1 by 2. So we have to put the value of x equals to 1 by 2 in this polynomial and check whether it is answer is coming as 0 or not. So f of, we got x equals to 1 upon 2 from this, and it is f of x is equals to f of 1 by 2 will be put 1 by 2 instead of x. It will be 1 by 2 square minus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2. So it will be 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 minus 3 upon 2 plus 2. So LCM is, here it is 1, so LCM will be 4. Now, if LCM is 4, it will be 1 minus. Here we have to multiply it by 2. Here also multiply by 2. It will be 6 plus. It will be 8 upon 4. 1 minus 6 is minus 5 and minus 5 plus 8. It is 3 by 4. It is not coming 0. Therefore, 2x minus 1 is not the factor of this polynomial. Okay. Now we have to check it for x minus 2. Now we take x minus 2. If we take x minus 2, it will be equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. Now put the value of x as 2 in this polynomial. It will be f of 2 is equals to 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square is 4 minus 6 plus 2. It is minus 2 plus 2. It is equals to 0. That means x minus 2 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay. P and S. Okay. If it is coming 0, then it is the factor. If it is not coming 0, then it is not the factor. Okay. Now for second one. Let us check if x minus 1 is the factor. We have to sum up the coefficients. Coefficients are 2, minus 6, plus 3 minus 2. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Now plus 3 plus 6 minus 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial, as sum of the coefficients is 0. Now Now let us check if x plus 1 is the factor. X plus 1 is factor when sum of even powers and constant is equals to sum of odd powers. So let us take even powers. It is 2 plus 3 and constant is minus 2. And odd powers are minus 6 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. And minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So it is not equal. So x plus 1 will not be the factor of this polynomial. Now for 2x minus 1, just like that, x was 1 by 2. As previous question we have taken, x is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore put the value 1 by 2 in this polynomial. F of 1 by 2 will be 2 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 minus 6 into 1 by 2 cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 2. Okay. So it will be 2 into 1 to the power 4 is 1 and 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus 6 into 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So it will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 2. So if we divide it by 2, numerator and denominator, it will be 2 1s and 2 8s are 16. It will be 1 by 8 minus. If we take divide it both numerator and denominator by 2, it will be 3, it will be 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 2. So now let us take what is the LCM. Do you know how to calculate LCM? Just take the denominators. It is 2 upon 1. So just take the denominators 8, 4, 4, 2 and 1. Now let us see if it is divided by 2, 2, 4 is 8, 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2 and this is 1. Now 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, it is 1 1. Now again 2 divide by 2, divide up to when it is come 1 1 1. Okay. Now just multiply this side. It is 2 into 2 into 2. So LCM will be 8. Okay. So now LCM is 8. I write it again. 1 minus 1 upon 8 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 upon 1. So LCM was 8. So it will be 1 upon 8 minus. If we have to put it here 8, it will be multiplied by 2. So if here it is multiplied by 2, numerator will also be multiplied by 2. So it will be minus 6 plus here also plus 6 plus here multiply by 4 multiply by 4. It will be plus 12 and then minus 16. So it is minus 6 plus 6 will be 0. 1 plus 12 is 13. 13 minus 16 is minus 3. Minus 3 upon it. It is not equals to 0. So 2x minus 1 will not be the factor of second polynomial. Okay. You have to just put the values and check whether it is equals to 0. Now for x minus 2. For x minus 2, x is equals to 0, x equals to 2. Now for f of 2, it is 2 to the power 4 minus 6, 2 cube plus 3, 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 2. I have put the values of x as 2. Now 2 to the power 4 is 16, 16 to the 32. minus 2 cube is 8. 8 6 are 48. 2 square is 4. 4 3 are 12. Plus 6 minus 2. Now 32 minus 48 is minus 16. Minus 16 plus 12 plus 4. Now 12 plus 4 is 16. Minus 16 plus 16, it is 0. So answer is coming as 0. So x minus 2 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay. Now for C. Check whether x minus 1 is the factor. What we will do, we will add the coefficient 6 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1. So it is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is not coming 0. Therefore x minus 1 is not the factor of this polynomial. Now for x plus 1. Let us take even powers. Even powers are 1 and constant is plus 1. Odd powers are 6 and 6 minus 4. It is not equal, as it is 2 and it is equals. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2. These are equal. Therefore x plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. So q is the factor. Okay. Now for x 2x minus 1, x is equals to 1 by 2. Now again put it in the value of x. F of 1 by 2 will be equals to 0. 6 into 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 square minus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So it will be 6 into 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So it will be 1 by 8 plus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 minus 4 by 2 plus 1. Now again we can divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. It will be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus, if we divide it by 2, it will be 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4. It will be minus 2 plus 1. Now the LCM is 4. So for it will be 3 plus 1 minus LCM is 4. Therefore it will be minus 8 plus 4 upon 4. So answer is 3 plus 4 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0 upon 4. 0 upon 4 is 0. So 2x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial, as it is answer is coming 0. So it will be R. Okay. Now again for x minus 2. Let us check whether x minus 2 is the factor. F of 2 will be 6, 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 1. It will be 2 cube is 8, 8 6 are 48 plus 2 square is 4 minus 8 plus 1. Now 48 minus 8 is 40, 40 plus 4 is 44 plus 1 is 45. So it is not coming 0. Therefore x minus 2 is not the factor of the third polynomial. Okay. Now for this polynomial, sum of coefficients is 6 minus 5 minus 1. 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. Now for x plus 1, even powers are 6 and constant is 1 and odd power is minus 5. 6 minus 1 is 5 and here it is minus 5, so it is not equal. So x plus 1 is not the factor of this polynomial. Okay. Now for 2x minus 1, x is equals to 1 by 2. So f of 1 by 2 is equals to, put 1 by 2 instead of x, it is x 6 into 1 by 2 square minus 5 into 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is 6, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, minus 5 by 2 minus 1. So it is, if we divide it by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. It is 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 1. LCM is 2. So it will be 3 minus 5 minus 2 upon 2. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. So it is not equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 is not the factor of this polynomial. Now for x minus 2. For x minus 2, x is equals to 0. So we check f of 2 is equals to 6 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 1. 2 square is 4, 6 4s are 24, minus 10 minus 1. It is not again equals to 0. So x minus 2 is not the factor of this polynomial. So only x minus 1. X minus 2 is not the factor, x minus 1 is the only factor of this polynomial. So we have got the answers as first PS, second PS, third one is QR and fourth one is P. Okay. Now 28. Now, if x plus k is the common factor of two polynomials are given and x plus k is the common factor of both the polynomials and we have to find the value of k. So, polynomials are, first polynomial is x square plus px plus q. And second one is, I write it as g of x. X square plus Lx plus m and x plus k is given as the common factor. X plus k is the common factor of both the polynomials. So from this we can find the value of k. So if x plus k is equals to 0, x is equals to minus k. Now, as this is the common factor of this polynomial, these two polynomials, we can equate it. I put it as equation 1, it as equation 2. So, as x plus k is the common factor of both the polynomials, we can write equation 1 is equals to equation 2. Okay. So, it will be equals to x square plus px plus q. It is equals to equation 2, that is x square plus Lx plus m. Now put the value of x is equals to minus k in this equation. Okay. X square plus p into x is minus k plus q. It is equals to x square, that is minus k square, plus L into x is minus k plus m. Now further solve it. Here it is x square, that is minus k square. Now minus k square is k square minus pk plus q. It is equals to minus k square is again k square minus L into minus k is minus lk plus m. Now k square, here it is also k square. If k square is put in left hand side, it will be k square minus k square. So it will be cancelled. Now pk plus q is equals to minus Lk plus M. Now we have to find the value of k. Okay. Now we will take k terms with k on left hand side and others on right hand side. So it will be minus pk plus Lk is equals to m minus q. So if we take k common from here, it will be k into minus p plus L. It is equals to m minus q. Okay. Now k will be equals to, I write it down here. Okay. K is equals to m minus q upon minus p plus L. Options are given m minus q, L minus p. Yes, here it is m minus q upon minus p plus L. We can also write it as L minus p. So it will be L minus p. We have got the value of k as m minus q upon L minus p. That is option 4. Okay. Now 21. A polynomial is given x cube plus 5x square plus 10k. It is given that x cube plus 5x square plus 10k when it is divided by x square plus 2. When this polynomial is divided by x square plus 2, it leaves the remainder. It leaves the remainder as minus 2x plus 10. And we have to find the value of k. So we have to divide these polynomials so we can get the remainder. Actually, what is the remainder? Okay. It is x square plus 2 and here we will write dividend x cube plus 5x square plus 10k. We have to divide this polynomial with this polynomial. Okay. It will be, here it is x cube and here it is x square. So we need one x, so we can divide it by sum it by x cube, so we can cut it. So x square into x is x cube and 2 into x is 2x. We have to multiply this by both the numbers. Okay. So x square into x is x cube and 2 into x is 2x. Now if we subtract it, it will be minus x cube minus x cube is 0. And here the variables are different, powers of variables are different, so we can divide minus subtract it. Okay. So it will be right as it is 5x square, here it is minus 2x plus 10k. Okay. We can't subtract 2x from 5x square because the power of variable is different. Okay. Now here it is 5x square, here it is x square, so we need 5, so it will be plus 5. Now 5x square, we got 5x square. Now multiply these also by this, 5 to the is 10 plus 10. Okay. Now we subtract it, it will be minus minus. So it will 5x square minus 5x square will be 0. So what is remaining? Minus 2x plus 10k. Now here it is x just. Now here it is x square. So this is our remainder and this is our quotient, but quotient is not needed in this question. This is our remainder. Okay. Now remainder in the question was given minus 2x plus 10, but we have got the remainder as minus 2x plus 10k minus 10. So we can compare this remainder and the given remainder. Okay. So our remainder was minus 2x plus 10k minus 10 and the given remainder is minus 2x plus 10. So we will compare both the remainders by equating it. Okay. Now minus 2x plus 10k minus 10 is equals to minus 2x plus 10. Now minus 2x. Now minus 2x, if it is put in left hand side, it will be plus 2x, so it will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 10k minus 10 is equals to 10. 2x and 2x got cancelled as it is equals to 0. Now 10k is equals to 10 plus 10. So k will be equals to, this is 20 upon 10. So it will be 2. We have got the value of k as 2. Okay. Option is 4th. K is equals to 2. Now the last question. If ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus t, dividend is given in the form of variables. It is divided by x plus 2. Now ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus t, it is divided by x plus 2 and the coefficients of quotient are given. Coefficients of quotient are 4, 5 and 6. And remainder is given as 0. Now we have to calculate the c minus d. For this we have to calculate the value of c and d. So we can do it by synthetic division. As this polynomial is divided by x plus 2, from this x plus 2 we can calculate the value of x. X we will get from this equation as x plus 2 is 0, x is equals to minus 2. Okay. So we will write here minus 2 and coefficients of this polynomial are a, b, c and d. Now coefficients of quotient, remainder is given as 0. If we divide by synthetic division, we get the remainder in last. So here we can write 0 as remainder is given as 0. Coefficients of quotient, from here we get coefficients of quotient from here. So we can write here coefficients of the quotient 4, 5 and 6. Now coefficients are given, remainder is given, this middle one is not given. So we have to calculate the value of ABCD from this. So what it is? First, the first term we write as it is. So if we write first term as it is, here it is 4. So A will be equals to 4. As we write the first term as it is, we write here 4. So it will be equals to 4. Now minus 2 multiplied by 4, it is minus 8. Now here we subtract or add. So here it will, we will get b minus 8. b minus 8 as coefficient is given 5. So it will be b will be equals to 13. Now c, minus 2 multiplied by 5, it is minus 10. Now c minus 10 is equals to 6. So c will be equals to 16 and minus 2 multiplied by 6, it is minus 12. So d minus 12 is equals to 0. So d will be equals to 12. We have got the values 4, 13, 16 and 12. We got the values as a is equals to 4, b is equals to 13, c is equals to 16 and d is equals to 12. Now we have to find c minus d. C minus d is, c is 16 and d is 12. So 16 minus 12, it is 4. Okay. So the answer for this question is equals to 16 minus 12 is 4. C minus d is equals to 4. Okay. We have completed the worksheet 2 of the polynomials here. Okay. Any doubts? No doubts? You can comment the doubts in doubt section also. Okay. Further worksheet 3 we will take in next lecture. Okay. Bye.